Take 2 cups of poha and soak it in water for 10 minutes. After that, drain the water and transfer the poha to a bowl. Now add 2 grated potatoes, ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, a little besan for binding, and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and mash it with your hands to prepare a soft dough. Now make small tikkis from the dough. Place the tikkis in a steamer and steam them for 20 minutes. Once done, let them cool down. If you prefer, you can eat them directly without oil. Otherwise, heat a pan with a little oil, add mustard seeds, green chili, and curry leaves. Add the tikkis and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's ready. Serve hot with your favorite chutney.